S4HANA Cloud Single Tenant Edition. Services Overview. In this overview session, we will briefly talk about the services which are delivered with SAP S4HANA Cloud Single Tenant Edition. We'll go into a little bit of detail with regards to software support, application management, and infrastructure management, the services which are included, which are not included, and which can be added on at extra cost. The package price for S4HANA Cloud Single Tenant Edition includes a comprehensive set of standard services spanning from infrastructure management via proactive application management and up to software maintenance. These are picked based on the best practices to optimize the solution for your customer. On top of these standard services included in the offering, you have the opportunity to scale up services for each layer as per individual requirement. So, standard infrastructure services can be scaled up by increasing the enhanced managed services hours. Standard proactive application management services can be scaled up with additional functional application managed services. Or you as a partner would add your own value add and your own implementation and application services. And then also maintenance can be scaled up with additional maintenance services. In our next slides, we explain in detail what's included in the standard offering and how we scale up each layer.
Single Tenant Edition delivers infrastructure management and core cloud managed services that gives you the ability to accelerate the adoption of SAP S4HANA and other solutions powered by HANA. The reference architecture for the solutions ensure that the best practices are followed throughout in the setup architecture. The key benefits delivered by infrastructure management are the simplicity of deployment of S4HANA projects with SAP in the driver's seat, bringing together the experience of managing over 3,000 database instances, optimization via delivery using reference architectures, leveraging the SAP HANA innovations through a comprehensive cloud portfolio, and all in all, peace of mind through an integrated support model. Infrastructure management brings all under one roof, right from the hardware components, provisioning, setup, and management of SAP S4HANA systems, the databases, to monitoring, incident management, and general housekeeping. Infrastructure management delivers scalability on the infrastructure and on the support level, as per the individual customer requirement. This ability is a core differentiator that provides flexibility for all our customers. The key benefits of the scalable model are flexibility in the face of changes introduced during transitions, and wider choice and ease with on-demand service requests. A predefined set of infrastructure services and technical, which are non-functional services, are covered via the scalable model. All these services are listed in the published roles and responsibilities document.
Application management services helps customers to keep their business running by safeguarding the continuous operations of their mission-critical applications. Application management services embedded in S4HANA Cloud Single Tenant Edition include selected setup services, system health services, as well as innovation services for S4HANA. Let's talk about setup services included. First of all, we established the RFC connections and other technical connections between SAP systems. Furthermore, we established a transport management to be able to transport technical objects through the customer system landscape. Finally, we establish the Fiori Launchpad with example apps that the customer can easily access the Fiori Launchpad as an administrator, play with the example apps, and is able now to implement and install the customer needed business Fiori applications. Throughout the system health services, we implement on a monthly basis SAP hot and security nodes and transport them through the system landscape. Also, the early watch alert report will be reviewed for critical traffic lights, and we will talk to the customer and search for solutions to reduce the risk mentioned in this report. The innovation services includes mainly an innovation workshop to talk about selected feature scope items out of feature pack stacks as well as release upgrades. Also, we help the customer with the proper planning and coordination of tasks to execute on feature pack stack, support package stack, as well as release upgrades for S4HANA, and execute on pre and post implementation tasks needed. This means also the comparison of affected dictionary objects, the issue resolution together with the customer, as well as the execution of necessary transports between systems of those objects. S4HANA Cloud Single Tenant Edition includes selected application management services out of the portfolio. This can be easily scaled up with additional services which might be needed to manage the overall lifecycle for an SAP S4HANA application. As you can see, we have listed here a couple of examples like incident or change management, request fulfillment, and event management, as well as service level management and test management and others. So this means we can add whatever is needed to a customer's organization on top of what's included already. So for details, please reach out to the SAP Application Management Solution Center.
Software support is included in the subscription to SAP S4HANA Cloud Single Tenant Edition. SAP Enterprise Support is designed to help customers get maximum value from S4HANA Cloud and to safeguard mission-critical business processes. Here's what's included. 24/7 mission-critical support with best-in-class service-level agreements. SAP Enterprise Support Academy, offering over 1,000 self-paced or live scheduled learning opportunities. Advisory services to help customers get optimum value from their investment and identify innovation potential. And usage rights for SAP Solution Manager to help manage hybrid SAP landscapes end-to-end.